In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a section on your website that allows your users to sign up as an affiliate for your business. So what we're going to do is navigate over to our website by clicking on View Your Website on the top left-hand side. And I'm going to just do this on the home page. So I'm going to add an empty block and I'm just going to delete that column. What I'm going to do is click here and I'm going to add a register form. So we're going to add a register form. Now here I want to go ahead and add a new field and I'm going to put their first name in there as well. And what I want to do with this register page is come down here to the rank setting. And I want to simply say that they are going to be given the affiliate rank when they register. And that's all I need to do to register a new user as an affiliate within my system. So I can go and create a special page that says register as an affiliate, and then all they have to do is fill out this form. Now, obviously, you would want to add a little bit more detail about what it means to be an affiliate with your business, what they earn, how it works, all of that information. You're going to want to do that. But if you create this register form, you'll be able to register them as an affiliate in the system. So I'm going to go ahead and say publish. And then I'm going to go over to the live version of this site. And because it's just here on my homepage, I haven't created like a special little page. I'm just going to go ahead and register as an affiliate for this system. So I'm going to go ahead and let's call it Poppy. And Poppy has this email. And then I'm going to give her a password. And then we're going to register Poppy in the system. So now Poppy has been registered in the system and she should have the affiliate rank assigned to her. So I'm going to navigate back to the admin area. I'm going to navigate out of the page designer. I'm going to come here to my contacts and we're going to ignore all of the people that we didn't add. And then we're going to click on Poppy. And if I scroll down here, you'll see that Poppy has been given that affiliate rank and that she is active and that she doesn't have a sponsor, which means she registered of her own accord to become an affiliate in the system. And if we come here to our analytics, I can search for the genealogy downline and you'll see that Poppy has been added on her own level 0 as a new affiliate in the system. So that is how you can create a little registration page for your users to register and sign up as affiliates so that you don't always have to manually assign that rank to them when you have someone who is interested in becoming an affiliate for your business. So now you know everything you need to know about setting up a basic affiliate network in your system. Congratulations on completing this training. I know it is quite complex and overwhelming, but if you have followed this training step for step, you will have a perfectly working basic affiliate system in your business now. And you'll be able to manage those payouts, commission rules, and offers. So well done on getting this far. If at any point in the process of setting up this affiliate system and you need some one-on-one help, please reach out to our support team. They will gladly assist you with any issues you may have faced while trying to set up your affiliate marketing network. But once again, congratulations on completing this training, and we hope you are looking forward to benefiting from this awesome feature within the system.